When I started doing YouTube, I was in college, I was on a student loan, I couldn't even afford a proper computer that I could record gameplay on.
Mr. Beast has taken over me in subscribers, but I have one secret trick up my sleeve.
Mr. Beast just broke the world record for the most subscribers ever gained in a single day.
This has been the craziest YouTube journey of all time. I think we might actually be the fastest channel to hit 4 million subscribers in 3 months.
It's 2023 and you've seen hundreds of YouTubers rise to success over the years while you've been contemplating whether or not you should give this content creation thing a shot. Well, you've probably heard this phrase a million times before, but it's now or never. Social media is constantly changing with all these new changes, but if you play your cards right, you can also rise to fame on YouTube and start reaping those sweet benefits. In this video, I will be explaining how to start a YouTube channel in 2023 and how to grow it to true success. Starting a successful channel in 2023 requires effort, creativity, and consistency. Here are some steps that you can use to help you get started. Step number 1. The first and the hardest step is to start that channel. A lot of persons are always complaining that they are not ready. They don't know what to start with and they don't have the right gear, or they don't think people will watch their content. And this roadblock prevents a large amount of people from actually starting a YouTube channel. Don't think about it too much. At the beginning, just start and go with the flow. It is a learning process for every YouTuber. No one started perfectly, so just start. Step number 2, consistency is key. Regularly upload content on a schedule that works for you and your viewers. This can help keep your audience engaged and build a loyal fan base. Try to upload at least once or twice a week. The algorithm seems to favor this upload interval. For your first 50 to 100 videos, consistency and quantity should be your main focus. Step number 3, start promoting your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms and other relevant forums to reach a wider audience. Don't depend on the YouTube algorithm alone to push your videos. Give them that extra reach on Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, and other social media platforms that you use. Step number 4, engage with your audience. Don't leave them hanging. Respond to comments and questions from your viewers to build a community and foster loyalty. This will also aid in building your social media presence, as loyal viewers normally follow you on platforms such as Instagram, Twitter to always stay up to date. Step number 5, choose a niche. Select a specific topic or area of interest that you are passionate about and have knowledge in. This will help you build a community of viewers who share your interests and increase your chances of success. Try experimenting with different niches at first to see which one works best for you. It is important to bear in mind though that not all niches operate the same on YouTube. Some niches grow faster than some, while some niches are more rewarding than others. Take vlogging for instance. A vlogging channel about your daily lifestyle will take a longer time to grow than a tech channel unless you're already popular and people want to see what you're vlogging about. If you're not famous, then what value would new viewers get from watching you take a walk in the park while talking to a camera? If you've made it to this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button and that like button if you're gaining knowledge from my videos. It will help me a lot in the future. A few niches that tend to perform very well are tech channels, how-to channels, finance channels, and motivation channels. But the list is not limited to those. Step number 6, start creating high quality content. The quality of your videos is important for attracting and retaining viewers. Invest in good lighting, sound, and camera equipment. Use editing software to enhance the final product. It is okay to start with your smartphone at first, but while you grow, the quality of your videos should also reflect your growth. Don't be stagnant. Impress your audience with some crisp videos. High quality is not limited to image quality either. Start improving on your content and storytelling skills. Think out of the box and come up with new and creative ideas for each video. Step number 7. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your chances of appearing in search results. The easier it is for someone to search for your videos, the better. Create videos to solve problems or provide info on content people would normally search for on YouTube. 2 great tools you can use to assist with search engine optimization is TubeBuddy and vidIQ. They help with tags, titles to boost your video's SEO. Both extensions are paid extensions but have a free version to start with. Keep learning and stay up to date with YouTube's policies and practices. Attend conferences and workshops to learn from other successful YouTubers. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Focus on creating high quality content, engaging with your viewers, and continuously improving your skills. It's not just about the fame and the money. Interested people are watching you and depending on you to lead and inspire them. Don't disappoint. We've now come to the end of this video. If you guys found value in this video, feel free to hit that subscribe button and also the like button so I can continue making more videos like these for you guys. I'm Chevaughn Beckford and thanks for tuning in for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.